Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is Jason, host of Fighting Words Financial. Today, let's talk about NIO again. NIO just made a pretty exciting announcement, and they did this 2 days ago. I've seen a couple of videos on it, but they mainly focused on NIO purchasing back some shares of NIO China from investors. But I wanted to talk about the rest of that announcement, and that's the expanded collaboration agreement with the municipal government of Hefei, China. The automaker is headquartered there, and they have been since last year when the government of Hefei put together the rescue package to rescue NIO from their financial troubles. Now, the details of this new agreement haven't been made public yet, but I actually consider this to be some of the most significant news to come out of NIO in the last couple of months. I probably got prematurely excited about, NIO Day announcements and the announcement of the adoption of the new battery and all that stuff, and the range of the car is going to be 600 miles. That's a long way away. We don't know if that is really happening at this point, but I think this is possibly more significant than any announcement that was made on NIO Day, and I'm extremely curious as to why none of this was mentioned on NIO Day at all, although there were a few hints. In late December, there were some meetings happening and there were discussions happening about building a factory complex. Now, NIO already has a cooperation agreement with the municipal government of Hefei that originated from that rescue package from NIO's financial troubles that began in 2019, but then the government of Hefei actually funded that rescue package in April of 2020. The new agreement supposedly expands the scope of the existing collaboration, and it provides a framework for NIO and the local government to jointly develop and build a world-class smart electric vehicle park. It's described more as an industrial campus where production and research is going to happen. The industrial park is going to be named the Hefei Xinqiao Smart Electric Vehicle Industrial Park, and I'm sure that I massacred that. Please forgive me. It's going to integrate research and development, manufacturing, pilot demonstration, and applications and industrial support services. It's going to be built with an eye towards international industrial innovation and, of course, production scale. Now, NIO is going to be doing all of the designing, the long-term development, and the planning for the park, and establishing teams in research and development and manufacturing. The local government of Hefei is going to provide support by attracting high-quality enterprises, I assume through tax breaks and other financial incentives to the park, and most importantly, in assisting in construction costs for NIO to help them build the park and talent acquisition. I think that this is a very significant milestone in the development of NIO's ability to scale production fast enough to keep up with demand and keep on that bleeding edge of technological advancement. It also may signal the limits of their partnership production agreement with JAC, the company that currently produces all of their vehicles. Now, folks, if you watch any of my previous videos on NIO, then you know that in the past I've been a little critical of JAC and NIO's partnership production agreement. I just don't think that long-term that's good for NIO. I think it's actually good for JAC. I think that this here is probably the most significant step and one of the most important steps that NIO is taking in order to scale production in a way that helps them control their own costs, much in the way that XPeng is doing today. One of the things that I noticed over the last couple of months that the rate of expansion of sales and production has actually been faster for XPeng than it has been for NIO, because I think that NIO being dependent on a state-owned automaker has its limits. I think that this is a way to break free of the manufacturing partnership agreement that they have with JAC, to branch out on their own, and to create these factories in the industrial parks in the way they want to, in a way that helps them control costs and helps them implement the technologies that they want to. Obviously, in this case, I see nothing but positives for NIO. Anyway, folks, you can feel free to disagree with me. Tell me how wrong you think I am in the comments below. Once again, I look forward to hearing from you.